Good evening, the tutor and classmates. My name is Juan. Hello guys, who are they? Well, in this video, I want to tell you about my best vacations in Ecuador. The trip was the last year of the school, and it was exciting because I had heard many people talk about the beautiful place that is Ecuador because of having on one of the tourist attractions that is half the world, along with a beautiful garden that is in Tulcan. And in Colombia, we visited the sanctuary of Las Lajas. I traveled from the city of Espinal, and the trip was for about 3 days by bus, coming more places in our country along the way. Thank you.